What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my kitchen. Hey, Soul Squad, I love you guys. You saw the video, not the video. You saw the thumbnail. I am doing ranch fried chicken, and I'm not even gonna lie. The reason why I decided to do ranch fried chicken because I look at B-Love's life, and that's my girl, and I watch her, and I saw her do several mukbangs about that Walmart ranch fried chicken, and I said, you know what? Let me try to make that. So I got wings, whole wings, and you don't need even no seasoning. Do not season your chicken just because you're going to be using this ranch right here. And this right here, the flavor on this is so strong that you're going to use on your chicken once it's done. You don't need to flour your chicken. You don't need, you need flour chicken. You don't need to season your chicken or season the flour. I mean, if you had some pepper, I would do pepper. I found out I ain't had no pepper, so we gonna go ahead and go with the program. I don't have no pepper. My grease is on 350. I'm using the deep fryer instead of the stove today, and so let's go. I didn't cut them in half. I'm doing whole wings, and this is what's for dinner. I just washed them, peeled off those feathers that I saw, and yeah. No season on my chicken, none. Because the flavor is going to come from the ranch. And you know how when you fold some of your chicken in half? I fold the back of the chicken. You know the way you're supposed to do a wing? Mm-hmm. Like this. But it don't want to stay. And you got to get those wings. This is my little deep fry. I had this one about like maybe 10 minutes or so. I'm going to try to fold this one in half. And see, somebody always don't want to stay. But it's a deep fry. So, we're going to do them all. I have about 6. But I have about 12 I need to cook for dinner. And what our sides are, I'm not sure. Today is Sunday. How's everybody? Sunday going? But, let me just make sure my grease is ready. Oh, yeah. And down she goes. When it's covered like that, you don't have to flip your chicken. You don't have to do anything. My top, only thing I don't like about this fryer, I think it should have a section where this go down and your little cutout in your top to go straight in there. That's the only thing I don't like about this fryer. But I'm going to do it like this and let it do what it do. And when we come back, I got some more chicken to fry. So when we come back, we're going to ranch it up. And you guys going to see my fried ranch chicken. Love you, Soul Squad. I'll be back in a minute when this is done. See? So, Squad, my chicken is done. I told you, man, deep fry is a miracle. I like to sit here and drain out just a little bit. And I'm going to remove it. And the best thing, I run out of everything. Is that use your tongues if you got some. You don't want to pluck your chicken because you don't want to lose all the juices. But I'm doing everything I tell y'all not to do, which is okay. You say, do what I say, but not what I do. That's what I'm telling you guys. I know y'all heard that from your parents so many times. So, yes, I do have more chicken to cook. But this is going to be the chicken for us. This is it. We are done. And you know what I want to do? This bowl is too small for me to do my flip routine. Hold it right there, Brandon.
Okie dokie, yeah.
I got my red bowl here just because I didn't cut them up. But I love dirty dishes, but that's aside. Just because I didn't cut them up, I'm going to take my ranch seasoning. Smell what?
The ranch.
Oh, you don't smell the ranch, Brandon?
Oh, it smells like ranch.
We're going to take my ranch seasoning.
It don't smell like ranch, do it?
Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna put it on here.
Maybe it's tasty. I'm gonna look at the bowl real quick.
I'm just gonna do like this.
It don't smell like it, but it tastes like it.
And it's up to you on how much you want. That's why I said that you don't need any seasoning, because this is it, guys. This is what it is. Put it in that bowl. Stand back, Randy. Put my chef still. And it's gonna stick because of the grease. The chicken just came out that grease. You gotta drip a little bit.
Captain drip.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He said, "Mom, okay, it's done." Look at that. The seasons, that. I'm getting my plate. Guys, you can serve this with the side of whatever your favorite meal going to be for the night. You can serve this. It's too hot to show you guys. And I have more chicken to cook.
I smell the ranch now.
Yes. But this is my ranch chicken, you guys. This is the most easiest recipe that you can ever think of. The ranch seasoning, the ranch dipping, you know, fry your chicken with no seasoning because you're going to get all your flavor from this. And guys, until next time, we're going to like and share and subscribe. Stuffed peppers. The kids will love it. Your family will love it. You guys, until next time, like, share, subscribe. I love you, Soul Squad.